Understanding A Bitter Setback, Unraveling Idioms in English. Hello, and welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning and use of the phrase, a bitter setback. If you've encountered this phrase and pondered its significance, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together. At first glance, a bitter setback might sound intriguing. This phrase is a combination of two words, bitter, often associated with a harsh or unpleasant taste, and setback, which refers to an obstacle or hindrance that delays or prevents progress. When these words come together, they paint a picture of an experience that is not just a mere obstacle, but one that is particularly unpleasant or disheartening. A bitter setback is typically used to describe situations that are not only disappointing but also have a significant emotional impact. It's more than just a minor inconvenience. It's something that feels deeply discouraging. Examples in sentences: after losing the championship game by just 1 point, the team faced a bitter setback. The cancellation of the much-anticipated project was a bitter setback for the entire staff. Notice how the phrase adds depth to the situation, emphasizing not just the setback itself but also the emotional weight it carries. While a bitter setback is quite descriptive on its own, you might encounter or want to use synonyms to add variety to your speech or writing. Phrases like a major disappointment, a severe blow, or a significant obstacle convey similar meanings but might fit differently depending on the context. It's also important to note the nuance. While all these phrases speak of hindrances, a bitter setback uniquely conveys a sense of emotional bitterness or resentment linked to the disappointment. Understanding idioms like a bitter setback enriches your command of the English language and enhances your ability to express complex emotions and situations vividly. We hope this exploration adds a new layer to your linguistic repertoire and that you're now more confident in using and understanding this poignant phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next language adventure.